funny how your role model gets outdated, becomes the old model. At the hotel asking for more bottles. Menage +1, I'm fucking 4 models. Wordplay that elevates minds like Aristotle. Mercy, Lago, whipping through Chicago. All these beautiful women follow wherever I go. $1 million deals on the table. Just a couple years ago I couldn't pay for cable. Growing up surrounded by Kane like I was able. Shit was unstable, now Visionary's the label. Plus Def Jam, know who I am. I'm that motherfucker that do it just cause